Hi, let me share with you on the Joyreader Pro application, one of the bundle which includes the e-textbooks, exercises, and e-storybooks. As you can see in this photo, the current MOE Chinese textbooks, 欢乐伙伴, had been converted to e-textbooks in this application. I believe that all of you must be thinking, what is so unique on having this application? Now, let me one by one share with you. Firstly, your child can now listen to the system reading the story out to them. All they need to do is to click on the top right hand corner, Read to Me button, and your child can listen to the system reading the story to them. Now, let me show you one of the live example. We shall proceed to click on the Read to Me button on the top right hand corner.
"第一课，我上学了。老师，早安。我叫小乐。爸爸，再见。老师，您好。今天是我第一天上学。早安，你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫小乐。你好，你好。谢谢叔叔，阿姨，再见。
You have seen the live example shown earlier. The pages will be flipped automatically, and your child do not need to flip the pages by themselves. Next, if your child is having difficulty understanding the meaning of the word read to them, they can just proceed to click on the Chinese words which they do not understand. Inside this application, the Chinese to Chinese dictionary and Chinese to English dictionary is included. For example, if your child do not understand the meaning of these Chinese words 早安, he or she can proceed to click on the word 早安, and the meaning will reflect out. Now let me proceed to click on 早安 and show you. As you can see, the meaning of 早安 in English is being shown out. Next, the meaning of 早安 in Chinese is being shown out too. At the last button, it also includes 汉字同, which will show you how the words came about.
"早."
As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the 西形, 释义 and 构词. Okay, another interesting point is that if your child do not know how to write the Chinese words, all you need to do is to click on the Chinese word and it will show you.
树，横折，横，横，横，树。
Isn't this very interesting? Believe I did mention earlier on, in this bundle, it also includes exercises for your child to try. This is considered as 课后巩固练习. So every time after a lesson, your child can try with the exercises. Lastly, for the 50 Chinese e-storybooks which is included in the bundle, you can find it under the library tab as shown in the photo. After using this application, overall what I feel is that this bundle has almost everything for your child to learn Chinese easily. If you do want to know more on this bundle, you can contact at this number and also go to sgcreativeknowledge.com.